Today's deep dive into the revolutionary DJI Avata 360. If you're someone who loves innovation, cutting-edge technology, or simply wants to elevate your drone experience, stick around. You're in for an exciting ride. Imagine a world where you can capture every angle, every moment, every experience in 360 degrees of breathtaking detail. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's exactly what the DJI Avata 360 promises. Complete immersion. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from performance and design to the groundbreaking features that set it apart from the rest. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Now, we've all seen drones that capture stunning aerial footage, but what if you could see it all? The DJI Avata 360 doesn't just take your regular drone footage to the next level. It completely transforms how you experience the world through a lens. Every twist, every turn, every dip, it's all captured in stunning 360-degree glory. What makes this drone special? Let's talk about the design first. The DJI Avata 360 is compact, lightweight, and built to withstand the elements. It's engineered with portability in mind, allowing you to take it on the go without feeling like you're carrying a bulky machine. It's easy to handle, whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner just getting into the game. But don't let the size fool you. The DJI Avata 360 is powerful. With its high-definition camera and advanced stabilization, it shoots crystal-clear footage from every angle, making your content look smoother than ever before. Whether you're filming action sports, cinematic landscapes, or simply capturing everyday moments, this drone does it all. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of the DJI Avata 360. Its 360-degree camera. This is where things get really exciting. Traditional drones are great for capturing scenes from above, but they have their limitations. The Avata 360, however, offers an all-around experience. You can literally fly in any direction and capture everything around you in one seamless shot. It's like having a panoramic lens for your entire flight path. And it doesn't stop there. One of the key features of the DJI Avata 360 is its intuitive control system. No longer do you have to be a tech genius to fly and capture stunning shots. The drone responds to your movements with precision and ease, allowing for smooth transitions, sharp turns, and fluid aerial maneuvers. It's so easy to use that even a beginner can get professional-level footage on their first try. Let's talk about the immersive experience for a second. Have you ever wished you could relive an adventure, not just by watching footage but by feeling like you were actually there? That's the magic of 360-degree video. When you fly the DJI Avata 360, you're not just capturing the scene, you're creating an experience. With compatible VR headsets, you can step inside your footage, look around, and feel as though you're flying through the air yourself. It's the next best thing to actually being there. Of course, we can't forget about the battery life. One of the most crucial aspects of any drone is how long it can stay in the air. The DJI Avata 360 is equipped with a long-lasting battery that gives you plenty of time to explore and capture your surroundings. You can fly for extended periods without worrying about running out of power, and when it's time to recharge, it's quick and easy. But what about safety?